Hello, welcome to my channel. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within scope of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as we require some Python plugins since the speed of the processing to make this much easier. I won't give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their usage. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.